Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 5 hot short hairstyle ideas that you can try this season. First up, we have this jaw length style bob, gorgeous cascading back, longer hair in the front, beautiful. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we take things a little bit shorter with this pixie haircut. Beautiful side swept bangs with that one, and gorgeous height added at the crown. Here we see one of the very most popular trends that we are heading into with the new season, and that is, of course, the mini bob haircuts. Now, this is a trend that is really growing in popularity. Then we have this beautiful pixie haircut. Perfect combination of a bob and a pixie cut. And we have another gorgeous pixie hairstyle, lots of texture in that particular cut. Stunning. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.